In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Workspace member in ClickUp. Before we begin, a quick note on permissions. You'll need to be a Workspace owner or admin or have the necessary permissions to manage people. If you don't see the options I mentioned, reach out to your admin to adjust your access. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple ones. The fastest way to confirm that is to look at the top of your screen. You'll see the workspace name in the header. Click that name to open the workspace menu. This is your hub for workspace level settings and members. From there, look for the People or Members section. This is where you can view everyone associated with the workspace, including active members, guests, and pending invites. Open that section to see the full list. Now find the person you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right profile, especially if you have people with similar names. To the right of their name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click that menu to open their options. If the person hasn't accepted their invitation yet, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Invite. Choose Cancel Invite to revoke their access before they join. Click to confirm if prompted. That's it for removing someone who's still pending. If the person has already joined, you may see different options in this same three-dot menu depending on your role and workspace settings. The exact labels can vary, but this is the same place you'll manage removal. Keep in mind, removing someone will immediately revoke their access to your workspace. Their past activity, comments, and task history typically remain for record keeping, but you may want to review assignments and reassign any critical tasks to keep work moving smoothly. A couple of tips as you go. If you don't see the person in the list, use the search bar within the People section to locate them faster. If you only want to clean up old invitations, filter for pending or invited users, and cancel unused invites in one pass. And if you remove someone by mistake, don't worry, you can invite them again later from the same people area. Finally, remember that interface labels can differ slightly over time, but the flow stays the same. Open your workspace menu at the top, go to People, find the user, open the three dots, and choose the appropriate option to remove or cancel the invite. You now know how to remove a workspace member in ClickUp safely and confidently.